Hi everyone, let's begin to solve this tricky math problem. Okay, first we have to work this. 4 minus 1 equals 3 and 9 minus 1 equals 8. There is multiplication here. 8 multiplied by 3, it equals 24. But this is not correct answer. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to work inside the parentheses, after that exponents, and then multiplication or division, and finally addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division have equal priority, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to work inside the parentheses, and 4 minus 1 equals 3, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 9 minus 1 multiplied by 3. According to this rule, first we have to work this. 1 multiplied by 3 equals 3, and 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. This is our correct and final answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer is 6. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and support me.